In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Arma Reforger single player. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to play Arma Reforger alone, I'm gonna teach you how to acquire single player scenarios, so you will be able to go through these missions alone and configure them however you prefer. To do this, click on this little puzzle piece that you see at the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up the mod presets that you have. So essentially, what you have to do is create a single player mod preset. Of course, if this is your first time exploring this window, it is going to be empty. So when you open mod preset, you will see mod manager at the bottom. So press tab or select mod manager from here. Now, when you choose Mod Manager, you will see the main options that you have related to mods on the workshop. So you see the ones that you can search for, the ones that you have downloaded, and the actual Mod Manager for the ones that you have installed on your PC. The one that I recommend for this video is RHS Status Quo. So these are going to be various different scenarios that you can play with alone. Keep in mind that there are various different other scenarios available for you to download. You simply have to look for single player aimed scenarios or missions on the workshop. And of course, if you actually have friends, you can also look for multiplayer scenarios. But like I said, I'm using this as an example. So when you download this, you switch over to the mod manager and you will be able to enable or disable it accordingly. You will find every single mod that you downloaded, and of course, you can download various different other quality of life ones if you prefer. Customize the game to your own preferences. For this video, I'm keeping it simple, so I'm not going to recommend anything. Do your own research and enable any mod that you think will enhance the experience. Once you see the mods on the enabled tab over here, you can go back into the little puzzle piece and actually create a new preset. This time, when you have all the mods loaded and you create the preset, it is going to appear. So once the preset is created, every single time that you want to load into the single player scenarios, you load up the preset that you have made and you go over to the scenarios tab. Now you can find the scenarios from the modded preset that you have made. So because you downloaded RHS Status Quo, you will be able to find scenarios here. So under the source, it is going to tell you if it is an original scenario from Arma Reforger or one from RHS Status Quo. You will see the amount of players that you can play in, and all that you have to do is join these scenarios and play alone. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Arma Reforger single player. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.